Hi guys, so as you can see, I already mixed the tomato paste and the bay leaf and the onion, and I'm letting it fry very well so that way it can take out the acidic taste. Now I'm adding the tomato that I blended with pepper and onions, and I'm gonna mix it together. You have to make sure it mixes well together so that way you don't have two different colors and it doesn't affect your rice as well. So after mixing that well, you're gonna go ahead and also add your blended pepper. So this is the blended bell pepper. It's gonna give it a bit of the reddish color as well. You're gonna mix that up together. Make sure it mixes well together so that way you don't have two different colors. Now I'm adding some salt. So you have to salt it based on the quantity of food you're making. And I'm also adding some chicken seasoning, and you have to season it based on the quantity as well. And after that, I'm also gonna add some curry powder and thyme. And now I'm gonna mix everything together and let it cook. So once you mix it together, leave the heat on medium and let it cook while you start to wash the rice. So while washing the rice, you have to make sure you take out all the starch. Make sure you wash it well until the water is a bit clear. So that's how you know that the water, it's ready to go basically. So once it's like that, so you add the rice to the sauce, and the quantity of the rice has to match the quantity of the sauce. So once you add the rice, you mix it up together, check if there's less rice or more sauce, and if there's less rice, you add more rice. You mix it together until everything looks like this. It has to be the same. So you cover it, leave it on low heat and let it cook. And you always have to check, make sure it's not burning. And if it's dry and it's not yet done, you can also add water, or if you have some chicken broth lying around, you can use that as well. So now, as you can see, it's ready. The color has changed. You can tell that the rice is looking really good already. And now you dish it. See, that's it, guys. It looks really good and it tastes amazing. So this is how it is. It's very easy to make, very simple. Just follow the steps and you'll be fine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel at OBCuisine, and have a good day.